What is up, guys? Today we're doing something a little different. Usually I've got somebody with me fishing. Today we're splitting up. Got Mike here.
Beat up on him.
Mike's got his boat here. You can see it. My boat's back there. We're gonna do like a little 1v1. Mike's keeping everything he catches today, I guess, for dinner. I'm not.
I'm out of fish.
I don't have time to deal with them today. So we're gonna do like a little 1v1, see who's better. And go from there. Before we get started, I want to say thank you so much for all the support and views and likes and comments on the last video, the Gator video. If you haven't seen it, go check that out. It's pretty overwhelming, and I do appreciate it. And it's continuing to grow, which is pretty awesome. And if you haven't already, please go down there and subscribe. There's like 89% of you watching my videos that aren't subbed right now. So if you go slap that sub button, that'd be awesome. So we're gonna get on water and see what we can do. Alright, guys and girls, today I'm going to start off with this 6-inch frog. Still really early and we've had a serious cold snap. So I'm hoping top water will be on fire today. Throwing it on my Lew's speed spool. This is the Hog Attack or Hack Attack rod. I bought it thinking it was kind of gimmicky, but it was on sale and it's actually turned out to be one of my favorite rods. So we will see what we can get started with. I'm also starting right next to the ramp, which can be a super overlooked place because everybody blasts off from the ramp, runs off. But if you look, all this grass and lilies, there's no boats out here. There's one probably 500-600 yards in front of me. But everybody blasts off from the ramp and leaves all this untouched. Oh, I mean, right on top of them. Got her. Oh, he missed it. Come on. Hit it again. Oh, he straight missed it. Gunner man, hush. Problem when you bring a bird dog fishing. He thinks everything is a bird, including your frog. That was a fish. That was 100% a fish. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh. Yes. Yes, baby. Finally on the board. Might just be a dink, but I ain't seen nothing from Mike yet. Let's get him weighed. And he is a 1/4 pound. Oh, no. Huh? Nah. I gave up frog fishing a long time ago. I got one blow up on the frog and he missed it by about 4 feet.
I wish I'd had that live scope. I'd have been chasing the schools that right off the rod now. Dude, I had 3 gators and cast around.
Really? Where I'm at, it's 3 foot, 4 foot.
Did you catch that one in the shallow?
I don't know. I really hadn't even looked at my live scope. I've been too shallow for live scope to do anything. But I figured 2 foot where the lilies were was way too shallow. I didn't get but 1 hit and that was it. Mike never sent me any pictures of fish, so I'm thinking we won. And I'm looking at the ramp right now, and he's backing in. Let's go talk some smack. Gunner, here. Y'all can't catch no fish out of it though. Come here. Uh-huh. Ain't catching none today though. I got the bragging rights today, homie. Huh? Oh, shit. What'd you say?
I said, yeah, even though it was a minute.
Hey, I'll take whatever I can get, homie. Say it one more time, loud and clear for the camera.
You still suck at fishing.
Oh, no, you can't say that. Come on, Gunner, here. All right, guys, we're wrapping it up today. Just took the boat out of the water. I won. I got awesome bragging rights over Mike now because he's always talking smack. But I want to show you guys something real quick, how frustrating alligator hunting can be if you watch my last video. Right there sitting on that log is a perfect runt alligator. But anyway, me and Gunner Man are hot, we're tired, and we are headed back to the house. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and continuing to support the channel. It means a lot. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next week with another video.